Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You've opened the Google Slides file and you're ready to convert. First, inspect slide size, fonts, and embedded images because these affect layout in PowerPoint. Once done, remove speaker notes you don't want exported and disable comments. This ensures a clean PPT file. Make sure external fonts are replaced with common fonts to prevent reflow. Now save a copy in Google Drive to keep an original safe, and then move to the File menu for export options. You'll now export the presentation to PPTX. From the File menu, choose Download, then Microsoft PowerPoint, PPTX. This produces a native PPTX file that PowerPoint reads. Why this matters: animations and embedded media may convert differently, so check animation complexity and linked videos. Simplify if needed. Once the download completes, open the file in PowerPoint to verify slide order, transitions, and fonts. If you'll share, save a copy to your local drive and upload to Drive or email for collaborators. You're almost done. Open the exported PPTX in PowerPoint and scan every slide. Make sure text boxes, images, and charts kept their positions. Relink or reinsert any missing media and replace unsupported animations with simpler effects or static images. If fonts shifted, install matching fonts or use PowerPoint's font substitution to restore appearance. Once fixed, save the final PPTX. If persistent layout problems occur, export a PDF as a fallback for consistent viewing. That's your quick troubleshooting tip to guarantee fidelity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.